guys, today we will be unboxing the Spy Ninja graphic novel. Okay. Here we go. The Spy Ninja's Virtual Reality Book of Madness. The chapter book is going to be in the Scholastic Book Fair. Chapter 1.
We make it chicken, just like something.
They are the Spy Ninjas, a team of YouTubers on a mission to save the internet from Project Zorgo, an evil organization by hackers. By combining martial arts, stealth, divine work, and hacking, the team works to uncover work and hacking. Project Zorgo's plans and stop them from taking over YouTube, Roblox, and the rest of the internet. Spy Ninjas cheat codes to collect old Project Zorgo technology to prevent future from hacking when projects progress. This is all the Spy Ninjas. Type in the YouTube Spy Ninjas. Let's see if there are any clues that will stop the evil organization for once again. Oh yeah, I'll read the rest tomorrow. Hope you guys like this. This was chapter 1. I'll see you soon for the rest of the video. Peace.